Welcome back to Classic Cars Cheap, home of classic hot rods. Old school style, powerful engines, and true custom culture. Enjoy the ride. Number 1. 1948 Ford pickup, priced at $25,000. Heat up here. As described in the listing, this 48 Ford pickup comes powered by a big block 502 engine fitted with a Route 671 supercharger. Power is sent through a 3-speed transmission equipped with a B&M slap shifter. The seller notes a brand new interior and a highly unique bed setup with a hydraulically raising floor. Additional highlights include 2 sets of headers, LED headlights and tail lights, functional blinkers, and a Bluetooth stereo system. A set of slicks is also included with the truck. The ad emphasizes the extensive custom work throughout and mentions the truck has a clean title in hand. Trades are considered for other hot rods or a Cadillac CDSV, no boats or bikes. The asking price is $25,000. Located in Westfield, Massachusetts. Number 2. The 1926 Ford Model T Roadster, listed at $17,000. Heat. According to the owner, this 26 Roadster is an all-steel hot rod powered by a 283 small block, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The seller notes front disc brakes and rear coilover suspension, along with rebuilt Stromberg carburetors and an MSD ignition system. Additional details include a Mooney steering wheel, new exhaust and headers, a working horn, and good Coker tires. The exterior is finished in gold with a black interior, and the car is described as fast, reliable, and not overly loud. It is said to ride and drive as good as it looks. The seller adds that the car was previously owned by the organizer of the Redneck Rumble and has received upgrades since then. A clean title is included. The asking price is $17,000. Located in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Number 3. The 1934 Ford Victoria, priced at $29,750. Absolutely gorgeous little 34 Vicky. Nice car. As noted by the owner, this 34 Ford is an all-steel street rod featuring a chop-top Vicky body. Power comes from a small block Chevy engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller highlights comfort and drivability upgrades, including air conditioning and heat, along with a Mustang 2 front suspension and a Corvette rear end fitted with coilovers. It is built on a very nice street rod frame and is said to have no rust. All lights and gauges are reported to be fully functional, and the car is described as capable of cruising comfortably at highway speeds or sitting in traffic without issue. The exterior is finished in black with a tan interior, complemented by new wheels and tires. With approximately 6,000 miles driven, the car is offered with a clean title. Located in Glasgow, Kentucky. Number 4. The 1932 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $37,500. Heat. According to the listing, this 32 Ford is built on a Lucky 7 chassis and features a Lucky 7 fiberglass body. Power comes from a Ford 351 Windsor 5.8L engine, paired with a C4 automatic transmission reportedly built by B&M Transmission in Fresno and using a Loker shifter. The car is equipped with a dropped front axle, a triangulated 4-link rear suspension with coilovers, a 9-inch rear end, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Comfort features include cold air conditioning and power windows, while a fuel cell and battery are mounted in the trunk area. The seller notes the tires are about 1 year old, and a mini keg mounted up front serves as an overflow tank for the cooling system. The interior was recently redone in gray by a local upholstery shop in Clovis. The car is said to run and drive well. However, there is a small crack in the lower passenger side windshield. It has approximately 3,000 miles driven, is currently registered in California, and comes with a clean title. Located in Clovis, California. Number 5. The 1931 Ford 5-window coupe, listed at $35,000. As listed, this 31 Ford features an original all-steel body and has undergone a complete frame-off restoration, with less than 2,000 miles on every nut and bolt since completion. As noted, the body has been professionally chopped and channeled, and the original frame has been reinforced, molded, and painted to match the body for a cohesive, high-end finish. Power comes from a freshly built 427 big block with 10.5 to 1 compression. The engine is equipped with a comp cam, Edelbrock aluminum heads, MSD ignition, dual Edelbrock carburetors mounted on an Edelbrock tunnel ram, comp roller rockers, an aluminum water pump and pulleys, a fluid damper harmonic balancer, a steel crankshaft, and a Moroso oversized oil pan. The drivetrain is backed by a modified turbo 350 automatic transmission, built by Bull Shift and rated to handle up to 550 horsepower. Controlled via a B&M shifter. Suspension and braking upgrades include a dropped front axle with a Vegas steering box, front disc brakes, and a GM 12-bolt rear end with coil spring 4-bar suspension and 12-inch rear drum brakes. The interior has been professionally finished from headliner to carpet, featuring leather seats and door panels, all new gauges, a tilt steering column, and power windows. The car is offered with a clean title and pink slip. The asking price is $35,000. Located in San Jose, California. Number 6. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket, priced at $15,000. According to the owner, this 1923 Model T delivers true traditional hot rod attitude with a timeless custom look. Power comes from a Chevy small block engine, featuring polished aluminum valve covers that give the engine bay a clean, aggressive appearance. Fuel delivery is handled by a Weber 48 IDF carburetor setup, paired with MSD ignition for strong, reliable performance. Braking duties are handled by Willwood disc brakes, providing confident stopping power to match the car's lightweight and performance-focused build. Visually, the body is finished in classic black, highlighted by iconic yellow and orange flame graphics that perfectly capture the spirit of a traditional T-Bucket. The look is completed with a matte black roof, featuring a distinctive oval porthole window that adds a unique custom touch. Inside the cabin, the car is equipped with a floor-mounted shifter, and all gauges and lights are fully functional, making this hot rod not just a showpiece, but a driver. The seller notes that reasonable offers will be considered, but no trades are accepted. The car holds a clean title and is currently located in Rossville, Georgia. With an asking price of $15,000, this 1923 Ford T-Bucket represents a great opportunity to own a classic American hot rod with unmistakable style and attitude. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications. Number 7. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $30,000. Heat. As outlined in the listing, this 34 Ford comes equipped with a 355 small block paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a 3.73 Posey rear end. The build includes a boxed 1934 frame with ladder bar rear suspension and Dakota digital electronics throughout. Convenience features include power doors, power windows, and a power trunk. The interior is finished in black with what the seller refers to as an ostrich-style interior. The seller notes the car is quick and responsive, handling like a go-kart. Finished in black over black, the vehicle is offered with a clean title. The asking price is $30,000 OBO, no trades. Located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Number 8. The 1930 Ford Tudor, priced at $22,000. Heat. According to the listing, this 30 Tudor is built in true rat rod fashion, emphasizing attitude and performance. Power comes from a small block 327 engine, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. An air ride setup on the rear allows for adjustable stance. The seller notes the car is very fast and a lot of fun to drive. Finished in Burgundy, offered with a clean title. Located in Wildwood, Missouri. Number 9. 1935 Ford pickup, offered at $23,000. As listed, this 35 Ford pickup comes equipped with a 350 engine paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission and an 8.8-inch Ford rear axle. The cab has been chopped, and the body sports a green over white paint scheme with custom pinstriping and a mural on the tailgate. Performance enhancements include dual Holley carburetors on an Edelbrock tunnel ram intake manifold, open exhaust headers, an aluminum radiator, disc brakes, and adjustable rear coilovers. The bed floor is polished wood for added detail, and the suspension is lowered with hairpin radius rods up front and adjustable coilovers in the rear. Staggered 5-spoke wheels wear Goodyear Assurance tires up front and 31 by 10.5 Corsa all-terrain tires in the rear. Inside features include a green-painted dashboard from a 1950s Pontiac, a gray leather bench seat, color-matched door panels, carpet, reflective ceiling insulation, and a hidden stereo with auxiliary inputs. The door glass has been removed, and minor corrosion is noted in the floor pans. Driven approximately 22,000 miles since build, the truck runs and drives as good as it looks. Offered at $23,000 OBO. Located in Wimberley, Texas. Number 10. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $39,000. Heat. As described in the listing, this 32 Ford is powered by a 283 engine with a triple deuce carburetor setup, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is backed by a Ford 9-inch rear end with a 4-bar coilover suspension. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and a power trunk. Rolling stock includes Craigar wheels wrapped in massive Mickey Thompson 29 by 15 rear tires. The seller states the car runs and drives exactly as it should, with the interior described as being in perfect condition and 9,399 miles driven. Presented as a great summertime runner. Trades considered specifically for a 1955 or 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. Located in Martin, Ohio. Number 11. The 1929 Ford Model Tudor, listed at $24,000. As described in the listing, this 29 Tudor comes equipped with a 59 AB flathead engine, paired with a T5 transmission. The engine uses Stromberg triple carburetors with a Stromberg electronic ignition. As noted by the seller, a spare motor and numerous additional parts are included. The vehicle lacks side glass for the doors, but is otherwise fully operational, running and driving very well. The seller notes it is a head-turner, but is selling due to limited driving time. Trades are limited to newer 3/4-ton trucks, 2020 or newer, with cash adjustments considered for the right deal. An enclosed trailer can be included for an additional price as a package deal. Located in Manchester, New Hampshire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications.